Welcome to the LS Starrett Company manufacturing plant up here in Jedburgh in the Scottish borders for the UK. What we're going to do today is show you how to cut perspex with a jigsaw and also drill it with a carbide tipped hole saw. The first blade I'm going to demonstrate is the one that you shouldn't use for cutting perspex, and I will show you why. So now I'm going to show you the blade that we would recommend for cutting perspex. BU36T, 6 TP inch ground tooth. Also, if you've got a pendulum on your machine, make sure the pendulum is off. This is the hole saw that Starrett would recommend for cutting perspex. So CT range, every tooth there has got a carbide tip on it. Good for penetrating the perspex.